Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Domino's gift card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you need to do is open up your Domino's app, make sure to log in and then place an order. So I'm going to sign in using my Google account. I'm going to choose my correct account here. Now it's going to log me in, and now from here I'm just going to put in a order. So once it logs me in, all right, so I'm going to do a pickup. You can do either or pickup or delivery. I'm going to search by postcode. I'm going to search in my city's postcode. I'm going to use this one here. So I'm going to order for now. Now it's going to load the menu. So I'm pretty much just going to put a random product into my cart. So I'm going to pick this pizza deal here. And now once you choose your order or the food you want to buy, it will say add a voucher. So right at the top of the page, add a voucher. Go ahead and enter in that voucher code, which is the same as a gift code, and then click apply. And then whatever that code amounts to, it will take off the order. And if you've got a few dollars left on the order, you've got to finish up by using your credit card or PayPal or a different payment method to complete the order.